Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to yet another amazing day. Today I'm going to show you some different ways that you could be taking your fountain of life and your divine. For me, when I take my fountain of life, I like it straight under the tongue and I like to hold it for 10 seconds. You will feel a little bit of heat in your mouth, that means that your blood flow is getting going. It's increasing your circulation. It is very good for you. If you can start to take this straight under the tongue, that is the best way to get it into your immune system, to get it into on your gums, on your tongue. So as you can see, one full dropper. By the way, the bottle does say 5 drops, but that depends on your body weight. So based on my body weight, I would recommend 10 to 30 drops. And especially what's really important for women that are over 40 years old, that they are taking 30 plus drops. We found that it's really, really helping you to balance out your hormones, make you feel better, get you to sleep a lot better, have more energy, and the one that is the favorite of all, keeping a healthy lifestyle and losing weight. So let's go. Hmm. That's it, just under the tongue. The more you take it, by the way, this is a spruce tree extract. So it is going to have a woody taste to it. If someone says, oh, it's a little bit too bitter, it's hard for me to take it, have no fear. You can just simply take a full pipette. And I'm showing you that you cannot, take too much of this product. Okay. So let's say I just took a full dropper right now. I put it in some juice right now, as you can see. So you could see that it's mixed in. It just dilutes. And guess what? All you got to do, you could see it dissolving. It is, it's as simple as that. No taste at all. I put it, by the way, in cranberry juice. Another favorite. If you have young adult or you have elderly that are a little bit more finicky with taste and they don't like the taste of the wood, again, one full pipette. And guess what this one is? Yogurt. And I'm using a plain yogurt. You could be using flavored yogurt. Use at your preference. Here's the thing. Mix it all up. Look at that. Mm, yummy yogurt for the day. Am I making you hungry? All right. So that is as simple as the fountain of life. Now, as you saw, I took 10 drops myself, basically straight under my tongue. I took 10 drops here in the yogurt. I took 10 drops here in the juice. And you can never have too much FOL. I'm going to be amazing and strong today.